How to scrape Amazon search results. The title, price, rating, and crucially the position of every product, both organic and sponsored, with just one HTTP request. There's no proxies to manage, no parsers to maintain, and no CAPTCHAs to fight. So let me show you how this works. In 3 minutes, you'll sign up, make your first search call, see what comes back, and learn how to scale across pages and marketplaces. Now, if you've tried scraping Amazon search pages yourself, you already know the cost. Sponsored listings and organic results share the same markup, which makes them really hard to tell apart. And then you've got proxies, CAPTCHAs, 20 marketplaces with their own quirks, and Amazon shipping markup updates every few weeks. It ends up being a maintenance job, not really a feature you ship. Amazon Scraper API has a clean REST endpoint specifically for search. Bearer auth, JSON response, every product on the page comes back structured, and critically, with organic position and sponsored position as separate fields. 20 marketplaces. You only get charged for successful requests. Quick stop on the query, since that's the only thing the API really needs. You pass your search term, the marketplace domain like .com or .co.uk, and how many pages you want, up to 10 in one call. Sorting is optional, by price, by rating, by newest. First, head over to amazonscraperapi.com and sign up. You don't need a credit card, and you'll get 1,000 free requests right away. Once you're in the dashboard, copy your API key. Now the actual call. It's a GET request to /v1/amazon/search. Your query goes in as a parameter, your domain, your page count, and your key in the authorization header. Run it, and you get JSON back in about 3 seconds. So here's what comes back per product. The ASIN, the full title, the URL, current price, list price, and currency. Rating and review count. Prime eligibility, Amazon's choice, and bestseller flags. And here's the part that matters most. Organic position and sponsored position as 2 separate fields. If a product is paid placement, you know. If it's ranking organically, you know that too. That single distinction is what powers competitor ad analysis and SEO research. When you need to go bigger, 2 options. 1, pass the pages parameter and pull up to 10 pages in a single call. Or 2, drop into the batch endpoint, send up to 1,000 search queries at once, and get them back over a webhook in about 10 minutes. At 90 cents per 1,000 requests, that's how you build keyword tracking at scale. The free tier gives you 1,000 requests to start, and the docs and live playground are over at amazonscraperapi.com. Links down in the description.